What we're talking about today is really three tests. There's an 18650 in there there's actually 4 of them inside there in that little test apparatus. And you're gonna see all the sparks and flames and everything come out of the top. So what we're really doing is we're trying to model or mimic a cell failure at the sidewall level. We're not heating the cell all the way through to 350 degrees C. We're heating one localized spot to 350 degrees C, unless it goes into thermal runaway early, which it will around 240 probably C, and then it will just take over chemically from there. If you heat a large cell slowly, a lot of heat goes into that cell. A lot of heat, which transfers to the second cell and the third cell because you're putting so much energy over a long period of time into the system, it kind of dissipates through convection and through conduction especially. Once that initiation cell goes into thermal runaway, it's going to ramp up like straight up and hit probably 500 to 800 degrees C, and then the neighboring cell will propagate after that. Do you hear that? We have a vent, so a little pressure cap is released. And then after that, we're going to see a little bit of smoke in a few seconds. And then within 60 seconds or so, we're going to see full thermal runaway.